welcome to my channel. If you are just new here, don't forget to like, share my video, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated on my latest video.
5 Common Motorcycle Problems. As a motorcycle enthusiast, there's nothing worse than being on a nice ride and having to deal with a mechanical problem or breakdown far away from home. If you've ever experienced this, then you know what we're talking about. Luckily, there are many precautions bikers can take to avoid facing these common problems on the road. While every bike is unique, the best way to prevent bike malfunctions from occurring is to regularly maintain your bike. A regular motorcycle maintenance schedule can help you overcome the following common problems. 1. Collection of dirt and debris in the interior of your bike is one of the most common motorcycle problems that may cause it to run poorly. Be sure to check your maintenance manual and follow detailed instructions on what to clean and how often you should clean those parts after you ride. Things like dirty spark plugs are notorious for creating situations where your bike runs poorly, or in some cases won't start. 2. Tire wear. Premature tire wear is usually caused by improper tire pressure when you ride. Again, consult your owner's manual and check your tire pressure before you ride. 3. Poorly lubricated chains. A properly lubricated chain is absolutely essential to preventing catastrophic failure that could result in a snapped chain, or binding and locking of the drivetrain, which could lead to engine damage or cause you to have a major accident. 4. Batteries. Motorcycle batteries have a relatively short lifespan. Best advice is to make sure you are charging your battery after each ride and consult your owner's manual for suggestions on keeping it charged. As a general rule, voltage is a good way to determine your motorcycle's battery state of charge. See the chart below. 5. Fuel system. Many motorcycles have carburetors, while others are fuel injected. The hoses that run to and from these units can dry out, crack, or otherwise fail. To prevent this from occurring, regularly inspect them and replace them if necessary. Other problems with your fuel system could include a punctured gas tank or a dirty carburetor. Their job is to ensure the fuel system delivers fuel properly, so it is extremely important to realize and resolve these issues before you hit the road. To prevent any of these common motorcycle problems from occurring, regularly maintain your bike and consult your owner's manual to tackle and fix any issues before they interrupt your next ride.